Good evening to all. Today, class 10th. Today, GK. Who is the first Indian Army chief? Who is the first Indian Army chief? Do you know? Field Marshal K.M. Kariyappa. K.M. Kariyappa. Okay, let's continue. Last class. Already we have learned 4 types formation of plurals. Today, if a noun ends in a Y and the Y has consonant into IES, its plural is formed by changing the IES. Singular, army. How to change? Plural, armies. Armies. Baby, baby, babies. Lady, lady. How to change? Ladies, ladies. However, if the noun ends in a Y and the Y has vowel before it, its plural is formed by adding S to it. Boy, boy. Plural form, boys. Plural form, boys. Toy. Plural form, toys. Toys. Next, donkey. Donkey. What is the plural form? Donkeys. Donkeys. A few nouns from their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular. Food. Food. F-O-O-T. Food. Feet. It's changed to feet. Man. Man. It's changed to men. Plural form, men. Mouse. Mouse. This is a singular form, mouse. Plural form, mice. Mice. Woman. Woman. Singular form, woman. Plural form, women. Woman. 7. If a noun consists of several words, the S is added to the important one. Commander in chief. Commander in chief. How to change? Commanders. Commanders in chief. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Mothers-in-law. Mothers-in-law. Passerby. Do you know? Passerby. Passers-by. Passers-by. If a noun ends in a or changed to ae. How to change? Okay, let's go to examples. Formula. Formula. Formula changed to formulas is a English form, English plural form. It's a foreign plural form, formulae. Antenna. Antenna. Plural form, English form, antennas. Foreign form, antennae. Some nouns ending in as form their plural by adding I or uses. Uses. Okay, let's go to examples. Fungus. Fungus. What is the plural form? Do you identify? Yes, very good. Fungi. Fungus. Plural form, fungi. Nucleus. 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 Plural form, nuclei. English form, nucleuses. Foreign plural form, nuclei. If a noun ends in am, it is changed into a. Bacterium. Bacterium. Plural form, bacteria. Plural form, bacteria. Stratum. Singular form, stratum. Plural form strata. Strata. Stadium. Already you know stadium. What is the plural form? Stadium is a singular. Plural form stadia. Plural form stadia. Okay, today practice self, story, joy, tooth. Okay, thank you students. Thank you once again.